Hello and welcome to another sensory recipes video, where I take recipes from my sensory recipes ebook to test out. And today we're going to be making oobleck. For this you will need corn flour, water, food colouring and a mixing bowl. I like to use a tub so that I can store it for later. First we'll put 2 cups of corn flour into your tub. Now if you're adding food colouring, mix that separately in a separate cup and then add. And to 2 cups of corn flour you need 1 cup of water. Next, slowly stir your mixture. Now it's important that you do it slowly. The great thing about this is if you try and do it hard, it won't let you. This is a great recipe to make with the children. It makes for a fantastic science experiment. This is such a fun and accessible recipe to explore. It's so simple and so satisfying to explore. I'm going to put mine in a sensory tray and hide items inside and get the children to try and discover them. The best thing is this stuff lasts for weeks when stored in an air-sealed container. If you would like to download or print this recipe, as well as loads others like it, then you can download my sensory recipe book from my website. The link's in the description. See you next time!